Article 250.59 of the National Electrical Code requires ground fault protection for personnel in wet locations where the voltage is 50 volts or more between conductors. IEC 60364 requires ground fault protection for electrical installations where there is a risk of electric shock, including areas with fluids, such as lagoons. Electrical faults in the motor or cord can create a ground fault, potentially exposing personnel to dangerous levels of current. Lagoon water can be conductive, increasing the risk of ground faults and electric shock. Maintenance personnel may be exposed to electrical hazards while working on the motors, including accidental contact with live conductors or damaged cords. While ground fault protection for aerator motors is not explicitly required by the National Electrical Code for this specific application, it is recommended for personnel safety in accordance with IEC 60364 and based on the potential hazards identified. Ground fault protection would help ensure that any ground faults are detected and the power is interrupted quickly, preventing electric shock. It is recommended to install ground fault protection devices on the feeders to the motors to provide protection for personnel performing maintenance. Utilize submersible cord that is designed for use in wet locations and that is in good condition. Regularly inspect and maintain the motors and cord to prevent faults and reduce the risk of electric shock.